Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Nathan's 3D Factory. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to do some stuff with some shape keys. It's really simple. So, for those of you who don't know what shape keys are, well, they're really cool because they allow you to morph shapes between one state to another. So, for those of you who do know, well, that's great. So, this is a nice little tip that I found that was really helpful. So I'm going to take this cube here and I'm going to duplicate it. Shift D, X 30. Now on this, I'm going to start out with a modifier. I'm going to do Control 2. And what I want to do is I want to keep this as the cube shape with a level 2 modifier of the subdivision surface. But I want to keep this as simple. Okay, and then I'll just apply this. And then I'm going to do the same here, Control 2, and I'll apply the shape there too. Now, what I'd like to do is I'd like to keep this one right here, but I want to change it to this, and I want to have that so it's going to be an animated property, right? So to do that, there were some things I had to look through, but I ended up finding out that we have these two items where I can say join as shapes. So, and well, okay, so I did this actually in the wrong order because this is the one that can do like the shape and everything. Okay, so let me show you what this does, right? Morphs to that. But I don't really want it that way. So we're going to redo this, okay? I want this shape to be the one that morphs. So it's very important that the item that you're going to be putting the shape keys on be the last one that you select. Okay, all right, there we go. And, okay, good. So if I take this item and then I do this one, join as shapes. Okay, and then you'll see right here, cube.001, which was this object, has now become a shape key of this object. Now, each of these objects also has the same number of vertices. When you're doing shape keys, that is extremely important. Otherwise, it messes up your mesh data. So now, if I take this and then I slide the value, it morphs right into that second object. This is something I was looking for because this is really useful for if you want to do something that has some exact data, you're not like editing and doing weird stuff. So this was a really huge help. I found another video to do it. Actually, I found a couple of videos to do it. So, but anyway, that is how you take those join as shapes and you turn them into something that you can animate. So it shrinks right onto it. Isn't that cool? So let me know what you think about this video in the comments. Make sure you put a like on this. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And thank you so much for watching this episode of Nathan's 3D Factory. Have a great day, guys.